Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve this equation. A square minus b square is given as 9 and ab is 3. We have to find the value of a plus b. Okay, for the value of a plus b, first we take our equation. Let's consider this to be equation number 1. Taking this equation and squaring both sides, what we'll get is a square minus b square is equal to 9. We have to square both the sides. After squaring, this will be square of a square plus square of b square minus twice of a square b square equals to square of 9, which is 80. Okay, a square of a square can be written as a4. Similarly, this can be written as b4, and this can be written as twice of square of ab equals 81. Now we know that the value of ab is 3, so putting the value of ab is equal to 3 in this, we get a4 plus b4 minus twice of 3 square equals 81. We get a4 plus b4 minus 2 into 9 equals 81. We get a4 plus b4 minus 18 equals 81, which will be a4 plus b4 equal to 99. So our equation turns out to be a4 plus b4 equals 99. Let's consider this to be the second equation. Now we know that using an identity, we know that x square plus y square can be written as x minus y whole square, sorry, x plus y whole square minus twice of xy. We know we can use this. Similarly, a square plus square of b square can be written as square of a square plus b square and whole square minus twice of a square b square. What I did was considered x as a square and y as b square. Now I'm going to solve this equation. This will be a4 plus b4 equal to a square plus b square whole square minus twice of ab square. Again, using this value of ab, this will turn out to be twice of 3 whole square, and this was a4 plus b4 equals, now we are going to simplify this one. This will turn out to be a4 plus b4 plus twice of a square b square. Or if we don't solve this, let me just take it back to a previous step. I have something else in my mind. What we can do is we can put the value of a4 plus b4, which was 99. It will be 99 equals a square plus b square whole square minus twice of ab is 3, so square of 3 will be 9. So 99 equals a square plus b square whole square minus 18. So the value of a square, 18 will come here and will be positive, and this should be a square plus b square whole square. It will be 117 a square plus b square whole square. Okay, so our value of a square plus b square comes out to be square root plus minus square root of 117, and square root of 117 can be written as 3 under root 13. Let's consider this to be our third equation. Now what we're going to do is, let's consider this to be step 3. We're going to use an identity a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now what we're going to do is put the value of a square plus b square from this equation, put it as plus minus 3 under root 13 plus twice, and we know the value of AB was 3. Using this value, putting it here, the value of a plus b whole square comes out to be plus minus 3 under root 13 plus 6, or we can write it as 6 plus minus 3 under root 13, which was the value of a plus b whole square. Now taking square root both sides, we get a plus b equals 6 plus minus 3 root 13 plus minus and square root. Now if we go back one more step, we can say that the value of a plus b whole square must be positive. Why? Because 6 plus 3 root 13 is greater than 0, and 6 minus 3 root 13 will be less than 0. How? Because value of root 13 will be something around 3 point, okay, so 3 will be 9, which will be negative, so this can't be the value. So the value of a square a plus b whole square will be 6 plus 3 root 13. Now if we take the square roots, this will be a plus b equal to plus minus 6 plus 3 root 13, which will be our simple answer. I hope you like this question. अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा लगा हो तो you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and like or share. See you in the next video.